Okay, welcome back. Last time I was playing the original Lemmings demo from 1992, I think it was, and it's Christmas time right now, so I'm kind of in the mood. This is the Holiday Lemmings from 1994. This is kind of a Christmas themed. I think it has a bunch of regular new levels, and then it has new Christmas levels. So let's take a look. This time I am running this on my Power Mac 8500. Seems to work just fine. So in the 2-year time between the two games, they've updated things, and this game will run on a modern classic Macintosh. Everything here looks the same. Says includes 32 new levels of holiday fun and 32 bonus levels from 1993. So not sure exactly what that second part means. We can find that out later. And let's go. Okay, we're on the rating of Frost. I'm not sure if that is easy or hard. Did that say 100%? Let's take a look here. It looks like this should be easy. I don't know if they can walk up this or if I need to build a bridge. Oh, they can walk up it. Okay. Get him digging. Again, I am using the original mouse and keyboard for my Power Mac 8500. So the mouse control is not the best. I do have it on a mouse pad though. I only have 3 of these left, so I hope that is enough to get through all of these. I suppose I could possibly tunnel down if I had to. Okay, there's no tricks there at the end. Okay, let's speed everything up now. So they should really be popping out now. But I do have a couple little lemmings that are coming the wrong direction, such as this one right here. So I will have to wait for them to get all the way over there and then all the way back to the goal. I thought it said that I had to get 100% here, so I can't risk really using any of these other tools. Let's watch this big crowd go through. What happened to my stragglers? Did they hit something? Not sure how they got turned around, but it looks like everyone is coming the right direction now. Okay, I have rescued all of the lemons. Now I can go on to level 2. Let's take a look at level 2. Okay, 98% to be saved, and there's 50 of them. I have 3 minutes to finish it. Let's take a look. Okay, I'm going to pause this real quick. Is it paused? Where are they? Okay, so they're going to drop out there. They're going to come up here. We just need to get them down here somehow. So I think I'm going to try to tunnel down here, then maybe build a little bridge up. Oh, we do have 50 parachutes though. So as long as I I'm able to click on everyone and give them a parachute, we could do it that way as well. I'm wondering if this would stop them from going off this edge or not. The safest thing would be the parachutes. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, they're coming pretty quickly. Probably too quick for me to do anything besides give them parachutes. I will have to click on 50 Lemmings to complete the level this way. This is not really fun, so I'm glad that they didn't label these levels fun. They labeled them Frost. About the time that I hear that boing, I need to click on the next one. So I don't really need to look at the screen. I'd like to look away, see how many more. Oh, did I miss one? No. Okay, there's the end. Ooh, I did miss that one. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's what that boing was. Oh. I barely made it. Okay, let's try level 3. Most of them need to be saved again. Is this the easy level? Okay, I'm going to pause it. Take a look at this real quick. Okay, we need to get over here somehow. What is... Or that way. So I guess we can choose either way. I think the best way... I think I would prefer going this direction right here. So let's try that. Okay, I'm going to use my... I'm going to have this first one tunnel through here. I will need to... Okay, let's stop them over here. Good. Oh, they are still tunneling. That actually could be a problem. That way it looked easier, but it may have been a trap. Okay, how am I going to get out of that now? I need to have someone build a bridge right there if I can do that. See if this works. That did work. Okay. Now I can tunnel this way. Oh, what happened there? Can they not tunnel through that? Oh, I was trying to build. There we go. And hopefully I have enough bridges to continue this. Probably start about right here. It's going to be hard to click on the one that I have building, but it doesn't really matter which lemming continues, I guess. There we go. Oh, they're still coming out. Here's our first lemming. Let me speed up the lemming drop. Okay. And there's the end right there. Double check that I can't tell him to do anything else. Nope. And that was it. I could only lose. Oh no, I could have lost a couple more. Okay, let's level 4. These are kind of hard. I'm surprised. I figured it would start us out on the easy levels. These seem a little difficult for someone that was just learning the game. Okay, so I can either direct everyone one direction or build out for everyone to go the same way. It looks like going this way is the easier option. So I think I'm going to build a little bridge to get everyone over here. As long as that's the way that they drop. Let's hope he drops straight down there. Yes. Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go. Now everyone is going to come this direction. And all I have to do is make one tunnel right here, and we should be good. Okay, let's increase the speed. Oh yeah, look at all those lemmings. Okay, this updated version? Oh. I thought we could make it go faster, but apparently not. Maybe you have to select that before you let any lemmings come out. Well, let me pause it real quick, see if that... Nope. Okay, level 5. 100% need to be saved. And I have 5 minutes to do it. Take a look. I'm going to pause them right away. Okay, we're going to drop 2 chutes there. And they need to come over here. And I can't lose any of them. It looks somewhat simple. I just need to tunnel down and then bore over here. The only thing is they'll probably have trouble boring through all these, so maybe it's better to go over them. I don't think these would hurt them, would they? Maybe they would. Let's try going through them first, I guess. Okay, so we need to dig down. Then we need to bore through these things. Oh, they fall down. Oh, no, he's all right. Wait a second. What's going on? Oh, that's too high for them. I needed to bore over here first. Okay. All right, let's try this again. So I need to tunnel down over here and bore across right here. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Why are some of these dying and some aren't? Now they're all dying. Okay, well, let's try this again. Do I need to dig diagonally? Maybe they bring these across again. Okay. I think we are okay now. And they should get all the way through. So I can increase this. Just make sure there's no tricks over here. Okay, good. Here's the end. I have some stragglers over here that need to turn around. Find the end of them. There they are. I wish I knew how to make it go faster. If anyone knows how to do that, comment in the comments below. Okay, and we're up to level 6. So I think I'm going to stop there at the first 5 levels. This was a lot of fun. If you want to see me continue on with this game, there's at least 32 levels just like this. One thing though, let's go back here. So there's Frost 94, Hail 94, Flurry 93, and Blizzard 93. I'm not sure what the difficulty levels is, so I guess it probably means we have 32 levels between the 93 year, and then we have 32 new 1994 levels. And I was doing Frost 1994. Not sure what the difficulty level is there, but if you want to see me continue on with this, let me know in the comments below.